today's video, I'll be taking you through the top 5 stores you should be visiting in your first month in Ireland. I'm going to talk about specific essentials that you will need when you first come to Ireland as a student or professional, and the best and most cost-efficient options to buy them. So let's do this right. Yo, what's up people? It's your girl Ruhie. How are you? When you first come to Ireland, there are a few essentials that we all need as a student or professional. Although there are a number of places where you can get these essentials, I wanted to list out the most widely available and cost-efficient store options that you should keep in mind when you first land to Dublin International Airport. The first store that you might want to visit or might even encounter is Spar. It is located in Terminal 2 and is the best place to buy two essentials. Number 1. SIM card. When you first go to a foreign country, it is the first thing that we all think of buying. It's very important to keep in touch with your loved ones as well as stay connected to the internet to be able to search for things, use Google Maps, and so on. There are multiple SIM card options available in the airport. Some of these are Vodafone, Air, Leica Mobile. Choose the one that best suits your budget. You can easily switch to another mobile provider if you're not happy. Second, Leap card. It's a great idea to get a simple Leap card for both students and professionals. Of course, students can then switch to Student Leap card once they get their student IDs from their respective universities or colleges. But meanwhile, for the first few weeks, having a basic Leap card can be very helpful, especially when traveling around. The most important one is that it will save you from the hassle of carrying change everywhere with you. Please note that Dublin buses do not offer change back, so either you have to carry the exact change or carry a Leap card. I'd highly recommend getting these two cards from the airport to help you with the journey that lies ahead. Now, guessing that you have safely made your way from the airport to your hostel or your place of residence, the next important thing that you need to buy are probably groceries. Most landlords and hostels provide the basic utensils, so you might not have to worry about them, but you do need to get groceries or buy food from outside. Search for the nearest Lidl or Aldi. They offer a range of groceries at very cost-efficient prices. You could even call them students' heaven. If you're living in a hostel, you'll probably be provided with duvet and pillows. But if you finally found a place to rent, then it's a very good idea to get your own duvet cover, as well as pillows. Even in the case where your landlord is providing a duvet and pillows, it's a great idea to at least get fresh covers for yourself. And that is where the third store comes into picture, Pennies. Now, Pennies is a great store for a number of reasons. You can buy duvet cover, pillows, pillow cover, and bed sheets. But apart from these, you can also get clothes here. Pennies is a great place to buy the following: jackets, sweaters, tops, winter socks, thermals, nightwear, cozy slippers. Be prepared for your first trip to Pennies because you might end up buying a lot of stuff there. Tesco. Tesco is my next favorite grocery store. But Tesco doesn't only offer groceries. There are a few other things that I like to buy there. The first is Tesco SIM card. A great alternative SIM card option is Tesco SIM card. These are available only through the Tesco stores, but they offer great prices. It's a great SIM card alternative. Brita filter. It is one of the important things that I got from Tesco. These are also available in Dunnes stores. I'd highly recommend getting a personal Brita filter. Boots. When I first came to Ireland, I did not know that a pharmacy could be so many things at once. Boots is probably one of my favorite stores. It offers a great range of skincare, toiletries, makeup, as well as pharmaceutical items. These are the top stores that you should probably visit when you first come to Ireland as a student or professional. I hope you found this video informational. If you did, please make sure to like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on student and professional life in Ireland. I'll see you later, alligator.